Hey, what's up? This is another new wireless earbuds from MPOW company. If you have been subscribed to our channel Tech Brothers for a long time, you have probably seen past videos about MPOW T5 earbuds and MPOW H5 headphones. Both of them are very good products. What about new wireless earbuds MPOW M30? The first thing you should know about them is the price, only $35. I will leave the link to Amazon in the description under the video. Now I want to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, and then we start the review. As you can see, the main features of MPOW M30 earbuds are the bass audio, left and right mono, waterproof, 5 hours of playback and 20 hours with charging case. Also, you can read the specifications on the back. We will talk about them a little later. Inside the box, there is charging case, left and right earbuds. We also have a user manual, charging cable, ear tips and earfins of different size. Okay, now let's talk about design of charging case and earbuds themselves. One of the main features of charging case is a USB Type-C port. You know, there are many budget wireless earbuds with micro USB port. However, MPOW M30 has USB-C port, and that's great. There is also only one LED light on the front side. Inside the case, we can see the left and right earbuds. The charging case is magnetic, so the earbuds don't fall out. By the way, the case is quite compact. It is only 65 by 35 by 30 mm. The weight is 48 grams. Talking about earbuds, they have the fins on the top that provide comfort and secure fit. To be honest, I haven't seen the earbuds with these fins, but it looks like a great idea. The earbuds are really very secure and comfortable. Also, they are very small. Of course, you will feel the earbuds in the ears, but they don't come out, and they don't look some kind of medical device. MPOW M30 have touch control buttons and LED circles around them. You should know that earbuds are waterproof by IPX7 standard. Another feature of MPOW M30 is mono and twin mode. It means that you can use one earbud, for example, for phone calls. Both earbuds can be used in mono mode. You just need to take the earbud out of charging case and connect it to smartphone. When you want to use both earbuds, just take the second earbuds out of the case and it will be automatically paired to the first earbud and smartphone. MPOW M30 has standard control functions such as play, pause the music, change the track, take or reject the phone call, but there is also volume control functions. I really like when the earbud have a volume control. You can change the volume without smartphone. Just press and hold the right or left earbud for some seconds. It is very convenient. You know, the sound quality of some budget earbuds is no worse, and maybe even better than some of the more expensive models. We saw on the box that one of the main features of MPOW M30 is bass audio. In fact, I don't quite agree with that. I have tested the earbuds with much higher bass. However, I cannot say that it is bad. I don't really like the very high bass. MPOW M30 has a balanced audio, so you can listen to any music. The earbuds are also great for podcasts. From other side, MPOW M30 earbuds don't have noise reduction. It means that you will need to look for a quiet place to make a phone call. Finally, let me tell you about battery of the new wireless earbuds. MPOW M30 provides about 5 hours on a single charge at a volume about 60%. You can use the charging case to charge the earbuds 4 times. In total, you will get 25 hours of battery life. I think that's a very good battery life for budget earbuds. As I already said, the price of MPOW M30 is $35 on Amazon. This is a budget earbuds, but they are USB Type-C port, compact charging case and small earbuds with fins for secure fit, mono and twin mode, volume control, good sound quality and battery life. It looks like a very good deal, don't you think so? Write in the comments below. What do you think about MPOW M30 earbuds? Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.